Chocolate chips brownies. Start by adding the butter to the bottom of a pan. Place the pan on an electric cooker set to low heat. Slowly whisk the butter as it begins to melt, keeping the heat low to prevent burning. Stir continuously until the butter is completely melted and has a slight golden brown color. This adds a rich, nutty flavor to your brownies. Once the butter is fully melted, it's time to add the sugar. Pour it into the melted butter and whisk gently until the sugar is fully dissolved. Keep whisking until the mixture is smooth and shiny. This step ensures the brownies will have a perfectly sweet and moist texture. Now, remove the pan from the heat and transfer the butter-sugar mixture into a steel bowl. This step helps cool down the mixture quickly and evenly. As the mixture cools, whisk it slowly but consistently to help bring down the temperature. This process is crucial because adding the egg to a hot mixture would cause it to cook prematurely. Once the mixture has cooled to a warm, comfortable temperature, crack an egg into the bowl. Begin whisking gently at first to combine the egg into the mixture. Continue whisking until the egg is fully incorporated, creating a rich, glossy texture. This step helps bind all the ingredients. Now, it's time to work with the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, sift together flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Sifting helps avoid lumps in the mixture and ensures everything is evenly distributed. Slowly add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture in batches. Whisk gently after each addition to prevent overmixing. The goal is to combine everything smoothly without losing the airiness of the batter. Here comes the fun part. Add a generous amount of chocolate chips, both dark and white chocolate, into the batter. Fold them in gently using a spatula or whisk. The chocolate chips will add bursts of rich, melted chocolate in every bite. Ensure the chips are evenly distributed throughout the batter for maximum flavor in every slice. Prepare a baking container by greasing it lightly or lining it with parchment paper. Pour the brownie batter into the container, making sure it spreads evenly to every corner. Use a spatula to smooth the surface, ensuring an even bake. The smoother the surface, the more evenly the brownies will bake. Preheat your oven to 150 degrees Celsius and set it to low fan mode. Place the container on the middle rack of the oven and bake for 30 minutes. During this time, the kitchen will be filled with the warm, rich aroma of chocolate. Keep an eye on the brownies, but don't open the oven too early, as this could affect the rise and texture. After 30 minutes, check the brownies by inserting a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, or with a few moist crumbs, they're ready. Carefully remove the baking container from the oven. Let the brownies cool completely outside of the oven. This step is important because cutting them while warm can cause them to fall apart. Once the brownies have cooled down completely, it's time to slice them. Use a sharp knife to cut into squares or rectangles. The texture will be fudgy with melty pockets of chocolate from the chips. Serve with a glass of milk or enjoy on their own. These brownies are rich, chocolatey, and irresistible. Enjoy every bite.